Good morning, children. Let's start our day with a good thought. We will start new lesson. So let's see today's thought. Speak only when you feel your words are better than the silence. Dear children, we humans waste lots of energy by speaking too much. Silence can be a better way to convey many things and preserve our energy. Therefore, we should only speak when we have something important to say or something which can't be conveyed by silence. Today's topic, lesson number 6, division part 1. Here some points are given. You have to remember these points. Division means equal distribution. We divide means we make equal distribution. Division means repeated subtraction. Children, we have seen multiplication means repeated addition and division means repeated subtraction. We can do division using tables. So, you have to learn tables for division. Then the number to be divided is called as dividend. Means जिस नंबर को हम डिवाइड करते हैं that is dividend and the number by which we divide is called as divisor and जो नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं that is divisor. Answer of division is called as quotient. Answer is called as quotient. Revision, let's see. Divide and write down dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. See, 8 divided by 4. Here we divide 8 by 4. So, dividend is 8 and divisor is 4. So, see the table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. Here 8 is given. Okay. So, 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8. Now, subtract 8 minus 8, 0. Okay. 4 2s are 8. So, here 8 is dividend, 4 is divisor, 2 is quotient and 0 is left. So, 0 is remainder. See, the number which is divided is 8. So, 8 is dividend. The number by which 8 is divided is 4. So, 4 is divisor and answer of division is 2. So, 2 is the quotient and remainder is 0. Second example, 7 divided by 2. Here we divide 7 by 2. So, see the table of 2. 2 multiplied by 1, 2. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 2 multiplied by 3, 6. 2 multiplied by 4, 8. Okay. See, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Here 8 is bigger than 6 and 6 is smaller than 7. So, see 2 threes are 6. So, 2 threes are 6. So, 7 minus 6, 1. Here 7 is dividend, 2 is divisor, 3 is quotient and 1 is remainder. Children, when you divide the numbers, you have to draw symbol like this, okay, line and bracket. Okay. Write down dividend under the line and write down divisor in the bracket. Now, see the interrelationship between division and multiplication. We get two division sums from one multiplication sum. Let's see the example. Here 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. Here one multiplication sum is given, 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. Now, how we get two division sums? See, this is the answer of multiplication. 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4 and 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Means you have to divide answer by these numbers. Okay. So, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4 and 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Second, 9 multiplied by 6 is equal to 54. So, divide 54 by 9 and 6. 54 divided by 9 is equal to 6 and 54 divided by 6 is equal to 9. Question number 1. Write two division sums from given multiplication. 7 multiplied by 5 is equal to 35. So, two division sums are, divide this 35 by 7 and 5. 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5 and 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. So, likewise you can solve the problems. Now, dividing two digit number by single digit number. Children, we have seen the division of one digit number by one digit number. Here division of two digit number by one digit number. So, 34 divided by 2. Here 34 is dividend, we have to divide this 34 by 2. When we divide, start from left side. Okay. So, 2, first divide 3 by 2. 2 multiplied by 1, 2 2s are 4. Now, 2 is smaller than 4 and 2 is smaller than 3. So, 2 1s are 2. Write down 2 under the 3 and subtract. 3 minus 2, we get 1. Now, take 4. Okay. Take 4, we get 14. Now, we have to divide this 14 by 2. See the table of 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14. Okay. Now, 14 and here also 14. So, 2 7s are 14. 14 minus 14, we get 0. So, likewise you have to divide the numbers. Here dividend is 34, divisor is 2, quotient means answer is 17 and remainder is 0. Let us see the other example. 85 divided by 4. So, first we divide 8 by 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Write down 2 above the 8 and write down 8 below the 8. 8 minus 8 we get 0 as division is repeated subtraction. Now, take 5. Now, here is 0 5. So, we divide this 5 by 4. So, 4 1s are 4. 5 minus 4 equal to 1. Here dividend is 85, divisor is 4, quotient is 21 and remainder is 1. Let us see the revision. If 20 chocolates are divided equally between 5 children, how many does each child get? Here 20 chocolates are given, we have to divide these 20 chocolates in between 5 children. So, what is given? Number of chocolates is equal to 20, number of children is equal to 5. What will have to find out? How many does each child get? Means how many chocolates each child get. So, number of chocolate each child get. Operation division. Now, we divide 20 by 5. Here 2, first we divide 2 by 5. 2 is smaller than 5. So, 5 zeros are 0. When we multiply any number by 0, the answer is 0. So, 5 zeros are 0. 2 minus 0, 2. Now, take this 0, we get 20. So, 5 4s are 20. 20 minus 20, 0. Each child will get 4 chocolates. Likewise, you can solve the problems. Children, you have to write down this in your maths copy. In the next period, we will see the exercise. Thank you.